digital blueprint, cybersecurity in construction. The construction industry is changing. We're moving from blueprints to digital models. This digital transformation brings efficiency. It also brings new risks. Cybersecurity is no longer optional. It's essential for every construction business, large or small. Ignoring these risks can lead to project delays, financial loss, and reputational damage. Protecting sensitive data is critical. This includes building plans, financial records, and client information. Cybersecurity helps safeguard this data from unauthorized access and cyber attacks. It's about building a strong defense for your business's digital assets. It's about ensuring that your projects are built on a foundation of security and trust. Understanding the threat. Cyber risks in construction. Cybersecurity protects our digital assets. These assets include computers, networks, and data. Construction companies rely heavily on these assets. They use them for design, communication, and project management. A cyber attack can disrupt these operations, costing time and money. Strong access controls are crucial. They limit who can access sensitive information. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. It requires users to verify their identity in multiple ways. This makes it much harder for unauthorized individuals to gain access. Data encryption is another essential tool. It scrambles information, making it unreadable without the decryption key. Building strong defenses, essential cybersecurity measures. Regular system and software updates are vital. They often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities. Ignoring these updates leaves your systems exposed to attacks. Software monitoring helps identify and address potential issues in real time. Think of it like regular maintenance for your computer systems, ensuring they run smoothly and securely. Construction companies often face targeted attacks. Phishing emails trick employees into revealing sensitive information. Malware can infect systems and steal data. Ransomware can lock you out of your files until a ransom is paid. Cybercriminals see the construction industry as a lucrative target. They know that downtime can be costly, making companies more likely to pay a ransom. Section 4. Recognizing the enemy. Common cyber threats in construction. Employee education is a vital defense against cyber threats. Teach your team about phishing scams, strong passwords, and safe browsing habits. Regular training can significantly reduce the risk of human error, which is often a weak link in cybersecurity. Antivirus software helps detect and remove malware. It's a crucial tool for protecting your systems from malicious software. Data backups are essential for recovering from ransomware attacks. Regularly back up your data to a secure location. This ensures that you can restore your data even if your systems are compromised. Section 5. Fighting back. Strategies to protect your business. A one-size-fits-all approach to cybersecurity doesn't work. Every construction company has unique needs. A tailored cybersecurity strategy considers these needs and mitigates specific risks. It's like designing a building. You need a plan that considers the specific requirements of that project. Impressit Solutions specializes in construction cybersecurity. We offer a range of services, from risk assessments to employee training. We can help you develop a robust cybersecurity strategy. We'll work with you to identify vulnerabilities and implement effective solutions. Our goal is to ensure that your business is protected from evolving cyber threats. Section 6. Impressit Solutions, your partner in construction cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is not just an IT issue, it's a business imperative. Don't wait for a cyber incident to happen. Take proactive steps to protect your construction business. Implement basic cybersecurity measures such as strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Educate your employees about cyber threats. Consider professional cybersecurity services. Impressit Solutions can help you navigate the complex world of cybersecurity. We'll provide expert guidance and support to keep your business safe. Contact us today for a free consultation. Let's build a secure future for your construction business.